Okay, wow. So since the last time I came, so I came back in early July, they've now done so much to Fast and Furious. Take a look at this. Look at that huge building. So I think that's going to be the station, which is amazing. And then you can see the ride just there. I'm going to see if I can pop you over the wall. So yeah, as you can see, like loads and loads of new work that's gone on behind us. So yeah, Fast and Furious Drift Coaster is obviously opening in 2026, so another year to go yet on that one. However, it really does look like they've made so much progress. Let's take another look over this side. So when we go down the escalator, I'm just walking through Springfield now. I will obviously take you and see some more angles as we go down the escalators for more Fast and Furious construction updates. Got to love a bit of Springfield. They got Suds McDuff's Hot Dog House. Bit of Dogtoberfest. Dufftoberfest, I should say, actually. A bit different to the one we did in Alton Towers, right? Tipsy, surly, queasy, sleazy. I'm 100% doing the Simpsons ride today. I haven't done the Simpsons ride for ages, so I would definitely be taking that in. I'm gonna go down the lower lot first. Okay, wow, did not realise they had some of the track actually in for this roller coaster. This is amazing. Look at that first turn. Looks like it's going to start there and come all the way down. This is amazing. So I'm on the moving walkway, and as you can see, there's huge beams and supports for this coaster. And there's another view of it over there. When I come back up the escalator later on, I will show you some more of this construction, which is absolutely amazing. There's so much to see. Definitely looks like it's going to be a good ride, that's for sure.